video. With an old black fan blade. That's how the original color looks. Looks like a beef on it. Restore it. I don't want you touching that. Restore it. Restore it, Mama.
I can't restore that, see?
I want it restored.
Too bad. It's not getting restored. It's not
I
even,
want it.
It's not even complete. So
It's the fan blade's old one. What number this fan blade's from?
I don't know what that is. I don't think it's a fan blade.
It looks like one.
Fan blades don't have stuff like that on the other side. It looks like an old can. It's an old spray bottle. It's an old spray can that got flattened by a tire. That's what that is.
I'm pretending to make it.
It's not a fan blade. It's a spray can. Okay?
It looks like a fan blade on this side.
Yeah.
I'll restore it and sell it as an old fan blade.
You don't need to make some really long...
I'm going to make a fan blade out of that.
You can't.
I'll make an old blade.
Come on. Hi.
It was black. I need to grab. Mama, I want it to be blue and I want to make it pretty.
Well, let's put the camera off.
I don't want the camera off.
Zeke.
Make it new for me. I want it brand new.
All those really long videos, I told you about that.
Look. We're going to make it new. Lay it down.
Zeke, we don't need that really super long video at all.
What color I want it to be? Blue. I'm going to sell. Don't repaint and...
I'm not painting it. See? That white one. See, it's broken.
Help me! Ouchie, help! Come here, Mama.
What? What do you want? What do you want, Zeke? You had an Elsie? Had an Elsie. He's had an Elsie.
You don't have the spray paint.
What's going to funny?
How dare you? Help! Mama, I had a bad ouchie. The mosquitoes gave me that horrible. That's why I need mosquito spray. Come here. I wish the camera just came like this. Help. We gotta get. Could just Put your stuff. Mama! Come here, come here, come here. Mama! Victoria! I shouldn't be having to sit here. I'm recording the blade.
He never stops. He never stops.
What?
What color they are gonna paint hat?
You get Elsie?
Spent a lot of money on you guys today.
I will paint blue.
I have the original color. That fan what used to be. Might have been white right there. Fan.
Before you walk that mosquito, I will go walk that mosquito. 3, 2, 1. Go and hug her. Ah. Let's go.
New color. It's blue, isn't it? Are they making it blue?
Don't breathe this stuff. Get back.
I will blue.
I was.
Don't go by it, guys. Come on.